Today guys, I'm going to go over some maintenance tips for your dryer. The first thing here, obviously you're going to want to go ahead and clean out the lint trap up your dryer. And above cleaning out your lint trap, when you take the lint trap out, you're going to want to kind of look in here and clean up any gunk or lint that you see in here. That was just kind of sitting under the lint trap. If your dryer is not drying clothes fully, this is definitely something that can help. This is the lint trap here. We went ahead and took out the actual lint trap, but this is the area underneath. You've got lint trap under here, you can go ahead and clean that out. This is what it looks like here. It's a long kind of clamp vice grip tool. I made a video previously about this. I think the quality was pretty bad, the audio was off. So let's look down in here. I'll see if we can get a decent view. And you can actually use a crevice tool of the vacuum cleaner to get down in here. Mine just was a little too wide for this. Get trapped underneath here is I've got my vice grips here, and I'm gonna just kind of reach down and I'm just gonna kind of pull bit by bit. Where I'm pointing with the vice grips here, this area is where the outlet is, so you kind of want to just clear lint from that area over here. And you can kind of even just use the vice grip as a clearing tool and then get it up afterwards. So see, you can kind of see it's kind of clogged up down there. And that's some of the stuff I've gotten out already. So yeah, I definitely got some up. Oh yeah, that definitely cleared it out, at least up here. You can still see there's some gunk down there. Sometimes the door has issues closing. This is just held on with some screws here. Sometimes this may get loose. This is on tight right now, but if you're slamming your dryer shut and it's not closing all the way, go ahead and check this too. You may need to work with that. You can kind of hear a dryer door. It's creaking definitely, so that's going to need some WD-40 on those hinges here. Easy fix. A lot of times if you take that out, you're going to be able to just reach in here and get stuff out. I'm just kind of doing more of the deep cleaning stuff down in there. You might have to pull this back out this way. And I'll show you what I mean here. So down here, see how it's kind of crimped at that little 90-degree angle there? Sometimes if you've cleaned out the lint and you still can't figure it out, you may just need to pull back the dryer a little bit away from the wall, which can't pull it back too much, but you can kind of open up that crimp a little bit. Got some stuff out from underneath the actual lint cover. But I hope these type of videos help. And if they do, go ahead and subscribe and check out the next vid.